Hey, this is Harvey Hoover, better known as Harvey the Silver Fox. Today, I'm doing a review video for my friend Gabe Gallatin's company called One Solution AI Business Automation. So let's start learning how Gabe can make your business awesome. Using his AI custom software. First, let me introduce you to Gabe Gallatin. Gabe is the co-founder at One Solution. He studied at Paradise Valley Community College. He's from and lives in Phoenix, Arizona. Through the last few years, he has become proficient in AI. If there were a black belt in AI, he would be 10th degree. Gabe has bundled a all-in-one package for his AI services to offer to busy business owners who do not have the time to create and manage such important functions such as AI SMS, AI email, AI voice calling, AI web chatbot, CRM, database management, 100% sales automation. Now I'm going to talk to you about missed opportunities. I think the most important benefit that Gabe offers is the Latino representation and influence in AI adoption efficiency and growth. Businesses using AI see a 30% productivity boost and a 20% increase in customer retention, advantages many Latino SMBs miss due to low adoption rates. Access to markets. AI enables businesses to expand customer bases, with 74% of AI-enabled businesses entering new markets in their first year, a critical growth opportunity for Latino entrepreneurs. Economic contribution. Latino SMBs could potentially add $300 billion more annually to the U.S. economy by adopting AI and similar technologies at rates comparable to other demographics. If your business does not have a strong Latino customer base, you need to talk to Gabe and have him give you a free demonstration on how his company can help you build your Latino market base. I know I threw a lot of stats at you in the last scene, but I wanted you to know what Gabe offers to Latino businesses. Few other SMBs companies do using AI. I have known Gabe since he was born. I have watched him grow to become a brilliant entrepreneur. All I can say is his IQ and business talent far exceeds anyone I know. Now I'm going to take you behind the scenes. In the description of this video is a link to Gabe's homepage. When you click the link, you will land on that homepage. Now click on the button that says, Get a free consultation. During the consultation, Gabe will know if you qualify for a free demo. Yes, if you qualify, you will find out for yourself if this all-in-one AI business management software will be a good fit for your company. Make sure when you talk to Gabe, you let him know Harvey the Silver Fox sent you. With that said, for those who are watching this video and own a business and would like to have me do a review video for your business, type in the following in your browser: harveysilverfox.com, or scroll down into the description of this video and find the link to request your free business review video. Follow the instructions to request a free review video for your business. In closing, yes, I strongly recommend One Solution AI Business Automation. If you want to grow your business, one more thing. You do not need to know how to speak Spanish. Gabe's AI business automation can do the translation for you. How cool is that? Harvey out.